Namo Namah. Gita's Lessons for Life. Number 5. Strive for Brahmi Sthiti by S.L. Abhyankar, Mumbai, Friday, July 31st, 2020. Now we proceed to study Gita's Lessons for Life. Number 5. Strive for Brahmi Sthiti. Before proceeding further, let us revise the 7-point code for Param Shreya, for most exalted life. Strive to be clean of all vices, what is detailed as Asuri Sampat in the 16th chapter, somewhat summarized in 18-53. Number 2. Cultivate virtues, Daivi Sampat. See A 12-13 to 12-19, A 13-7 to 13-11, E 16-1 to 16-3, E 18-42 to 18-44. Some virtues repeat in these four lists. Actually, antonyms of virtues are vices. Try to transcend also virtuosity, gunatitata. See 14-22 to 14-26. Number 4. Enhance Shraddha, faithfulness, by practicing sacrificial rituals, yajnaha, 17-11, austerity, tapaha, 17-14 to 17-17, philanthropy, dhanam, 17-20, observing and imbibing the philosophy of Om Tat Sat, 17-23 to 17-27. Number 5. Cultivate organs to stay steadfast against inflictions by senses. Indriyarthebhyaha indriyani sarvashah nigruhitavyani. And strive for Brahmi Sthiti, 2-55 to 2-72. Live all life as offerings unto him, 9-34. Cultivate self-sameness with the entire creation, Atmaupamyam Sarvatra, 6-32. Of the above, we now proceed with point number 5, strive for Brahmi Sthiti, 2-55 to 2-72. Actually, these 18 shlokas are prefaced by Arjuna Uvacha, Sitaprajnasya ka bhasha samadhisthasya keshava, Sitadhi kim prabhasheta kimasita vrajeta kim. There is a YouTube video which I made. Arjuna Uvacha. Arjuna said, Keshava, E Keshava, Sitaprajnasya samadhisthasya ka bhasha bhavati. What is the definition of one whose enlightenment is steadfast and who is in deep meditation? Sthitadihi kim prabhasheta, what he speaks about. Kim asita, what his contentions are. Kim vrajeta, what he goes about. What his thought, word and deed are. Speaks about word. Contentions, thought. Goes about deed. What his thought, word and deed are. Shri Bhagavan Vach. Prajahati yada kaman sarvan parthamanogataan atmanyevatmana tushta sthita prajnastadochyate. YouTube video also on this. Shri Bhagavan Vach. The glorious one said, Partha, a son of Prutha, yada sarvan manogatan kaman prajahati, when one forsakes all desires that come to mind, tada, then, atmana atmani eva tushtaha, one pleased by himself and within himself. One pleased by himself and within himself. What a beautiful phrase. Sthita prajnaha uchyate, is called as one with steadfast intellect. Dukkheshvanut viglamanaha, sukheshu vigataspruha, vita raga bhaya krodha, स्थितधीर्मुनिरुच्यते। दुःखेषु अनुद्विग्नमनः, one whose mind is not agitated by sorrows. Sukheshu vigataspruhah, who has no desire for happiness. Vitaraga bhayakrodha, one from whom raga, affection, bhaya, fear, and krodha, anger, vita, have gone away. Sthitadhihi, such one with steadfast intellect, munihi uchyate, is called as muni. Yes sarvatranabhisnehas tattat prapya shubhashubham nabhinandati nadveshti tasya prajna pratisthita. Yaha sarvatranabhisneha, one who is empathetic, who has empathy all over. Tattat shubham ashubham prapya, whatever shubha, ominous, or ashubham, non-ominous, prapya is obtained, whatever come to his lot. Na abhinandati, neither he enjoys, na dveshti, nor does he despise. Tasya prajna pratisthita, intellect of such one is steadfast. Yada samharate chayam kurmonganiva sarvashah, indriyani indriyarthebhyas tasya prajna pratisthita. Yada cha ayam, when he, kurmaha angani samharate iva, just as kurmaha or tortoise samharate withdraws angani its organs, indriyani indriyarthebhyah sarvashah samharate, withdraws his organs from the senses. Tasya prajna pratisthita, his intellect is steadfast. Vishaya vinivartante niraharasya dehina rasavarjam rasopyasya param društva nivartate. Niraharasya dehina, of the one, dehinaha, embodied, and is nirahara, non-consuming. Vishayaha vinivartante, the senses go away. Asya rasaha api, the sense of taste also. Param rasavarjam društva, seeing that he is absolutely disinterested in taste, nivartate, goes away. Yatato yapi kaunteya purushasya vipashchitah indriyani pramathini haranti prasabham manah tani sarvani sanyamya yukta asita matpraha vashehi yasya indriyani tasya prajna pratisthita. Kaunteya, a son of Kunti, vipashchitah purushasya yatataha hi api, even when the wise man exercises control, pramathini indriyani, the forceful organs, manaha prasabham haranti, drag the mind. Tani sarvani sanyamya, by controlling all the organs, yuktaraha matparaha asita, stay entwined and engrossed in me. He, yasya indriyani vashe, because the one who has indriyani, organs, vashe, under control, tasya prajna pratisthita, his intellect is steadfast. Dhyayato vishayan punsah sangasteshu upajayate, sangat sanjayate kamah kamat krodho vijayate, krodhat bhavati sammohas, sammohas smriti vibhrama, smriti bhramshat buddhinasho, buddhinashat pranashyati. Pusaha vishayan dhyayatah, as a person keeps interest in senses, teshu sangaha upajayate, an attachment develops. Sangat kamaha sanjayate, by attachment desire develops. Kamat krodhaha abhijayate, by non-fulfillment of desire develops anger. Krodhat sammoha bhavati, anger leads to delusion. Sammoha smriti vibhramaha bhavati, by delusion memory of what is learned to be right goes awry. Smriti bhramshat buddhinashaha bhavati, by memory going awry, intellect, discretion is lost. Buddhinashat pranashyati, personality is finished. Ragadveshu vimuktaistu or viyuktaistu, vishayan indriyeshan, आत्मवश्यैर्विधेयात्मा प्रसादमधिगच्छति। रागद्वेष विमुक्तैः रागद्वेष वियुक्तैः तु फ्रीड विमुक्त और डिवाइड वियुक्त of affection or hate, raga, dvesh. Atmavashyahi indriyai, with organs under control, vishayancharan, so executing actions. Vidheyatma, person with such conduct, prasadam adhikacchati, attains contentment. Prasade sarvadukhanam hanirasyopajayate, prasanna chesaso yashu buddhi paryavatiष्ठते. Prasade, by contentment, asya his sarva dukkhanam hanihi, all sorrows are eliminated. Upajayate, as a corollary. Prasanna chesasaha, of one with contented mind, buddhi, intellect, ashu, soon, paryavatiष्ठते, he certainly is steadfast. Nasti buddhira yuktasya, न चायुक्तस्य भावना न चाभावयत शांतिर्शान्तस्य कुतः सुखम अयुक्तस्य बुद्धिः न अस्ति इनेप्ट हैज नो इंटेलेक्ट अयुक्तस्य भावना च न अस्ति इनेप्ट हैज नो सेंसिटिविटी नो सेंसिबिलिटी अभावयतः शांतिः च न अस्ति इनसेंसिटिविटी हैज नो पीस अशान्तस्य सुखम कुतः अस्ति कैन वन नॉट एट पीस be happy? इंद्रियाणाम हि चरताम यन्मनोनुविधीयते तदस्य हरति प्रज्ञाम वायुर्नाभमिवाम्भसि। इंद्रियाणाम हि चरताम, with organs wandering. मनः यत् अनुविधीयते, how the mind behaves, वायुः अम्भसि नावम हरतीव, like a boat in a storm. तत् अस्य प्रज्ञाम हरति, his discretion is lost. तस्माद्यस्य महाबाहो निगृहीतानि सर्वशः इंद्रियाणि इंद्रियार्थेभ्यस्तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठिता। महाबाहो, ए अर्जुन, वन विथ लार्ज आर्म्स, तस्मात्, हेंस, यस्य इंद्रियाणि इंद्रियार्थेभ्यः सर्वशः निगृहीतानि, वन, all organs of whom are totally withdrawn from the senses, तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठिता, his intellect is steadfast. या निशा सर्वभूतानां तस्यां जागर्ति संयमी, यस्यां जागृति भूतानि सा निशा पश्यतो मुनेः। या सर्वभूतानां निशा, the time which is night time for all creation, तस्यां, वेलायां, संयमी जागर्ति, in that time the self-controlling one stays awake, जागर्ति। यस्यां वेलायां भूतानि जागृति, that time when creations are awake, सा पश्यतः मुनेः निशा, that is night time of ever alert Muni, so he is alert all along. Does he sleep at all? Just because it is night time does not mean that he sleeps. He is always alert. So that is why पश्यतः मुनेः। आपूर्यमाणमचल प्रतिष्ठं समुद्रमापः प्रविशन्ति यद्वत् तद्वत् कामायं प्रविशन्ति सर्वे स शान्तिमाप्नोति न कामकामी। यद्वत्, just as, आपूर्यमाणं अचल प्रतिष्ठं समुद्रम, into the tranquil ocean, आपूर्यमाणं, waters keep flowing in, आपः प्रविशन्ति, तद्वत्, like that, सर्वे कामाः, all desires, यम अचल प्रतिष्ठं प्रविशन्ति, flow into whom without causing any repulse, स शान्तिमाप्नोति, he gets peace. कामकामी शांतिं न आपनोति, one getting desires kindled cannot attain peace. विहाय कामान्यः सर्वान् पुमांश्चरति निःस्पृहः निर्ममो निरहंकारः स शान्तिमधिगच्छति। यः पुमान्, he the manly one, सर्वान् कामान् विहाय, by forsaking all desires, nispruhacharati, goes about not wanting anything. Saha, such person, nirmamaha nirahankarha, selfless and free of ego, shantim adhigacchati, attains peace. Esha brahmi sthiti partha, nainam prapya vimuyati, sitvasyam antakalepi, brahma nirvana mruchati. Partha, a son of Prutha, Esha brahmi sthiti. This is the state of oneness with Brahman. Enam prapya na vimuyati. Having attained such state, there is no distraction. Antakalepi asyam sthitva, being in this state at the time of last breath, also, Brahma nirvana mruchati. One merits assimilation into Brahman. Swadhyaya. In his question in 2-54, Arjuna uses the words Sthitaprajnaha Sthitadhihi. In 2-55, Sri Krishna Bhagavan replies using the word Sthitaprajnaha. But Sri Krishna Bhagavan possibly did not want to close with a short, curt reply. The delineation hence continues with 17 more sloka. In 4 sloka, 2-57, 2-58, 2-61 and 2-68, the phrase at the end is Prajna Pratisthita. In sloka 2-58 and 2-68, the complete second line, Indriyani Indriyabhyas Indriyarthebhyas Tasya Prajna Pratisthita, is identical, ditto. Not a dot here and there. The crux of the matter is that mind and in turn the organs are susceptible to misbehavior and have to be kept under control. Of course, it is easier said than done. It is not that we do not practice withdrawing organs from senses. We do turn deaf ear to something we do not want to listen to. If our physician has advised that sugary, sweet things are not good for our diabetic malady, we desist from eating such things. These are selective instances of withdrawing organs from the senses. The important word in both 2-58 and 2-68 is sarvashaha, totally, not selectively. There are 3 very beautiful similes. In 2-58, there is a simile of tortoise withdrawing its organs. In 2-67 is a simile of a boat in a storm. In 2-70 is a simile of tranquil ocean. Even when waters from many rivers are continuously pouring, we are engulfed with waves. Our mobile filters the waves. We are engulfed with waves. Waters are pouring. Our mobile filters the waves, which are not compatible with those which our SIM card can attune with. How about a life without any mobile? Difficult? But can it be a tranquil life with the mobile? We have to make the choice. Brahmi sthitihi, Brahma nirvanam, param shreyaha are possible only after making right choices. Shubhamastu.